NDX, same thing. I've got this leading diagonal to the upside here, 2 back, 1, and I do think we've likely had an A, B, C for a running flat, small 1 up here, 2 back, and looking for the low from last week to hold, and for the NDX to start to lead to the upside in the 3 up next. Now, if I come down to the hourly chart, you can see that the NDX has come quite deep. This hit here was on the 764 retrace of what would be the wave 1 up off the bottom of the 2 as the running flat. So I really do rather see last week's low hold. And the invalidation for the idea of the 1 off a running 2 flat is at 73.09 and a quarter. Do not want to see the NDX back below there, and before we push up to this 123.6 fib next to 8037 in the NDX. But thus far, we just don't have enough price action off the lows to give us any confidence that the lows are actually in either the SPX or the NDX. Now, coming over and looking at the Dow Jones, same thing, leading diagonal up for the 1. This is the daily chart, 2 back, 1 ABC for this 2. And then I think we've got a 1, 2, 1, 2, and looking for this again to push up. As you know, the Dow Jones was much, much stronger or more robust, if you like, during the most recent pullback. And if I come down to the hourly chart, excuse me, I'm struggling a little with the mouse here. Off the 2 here, I've got a 1, 2, 5 up to here for a 1. This 2 last week, we got 2 taps onto the 618 retrace. I really would rather see that hold. The must hold level for the 1212 idea, 25,608 and a quarter, which is the level of this 2 here. So we need to take out the top at 26,167 and push on up here 27,016 sooner rather than later in the Dow Jones to start to prove this count. But again, today we're no further forward than we were on Friday afternoon. Although we've got that little push up, it's just done nothing, to be honest. Russell, still looking for the rest of this 3 up to 1840 area next in the Russell, and have come down the time frame. So off the micro degree 4 coming out of the diagonal, looking for this 3 here to 1761, then a pullback, then a higher, and just showing you that in the hourly chart. Off there, I've got a 1, 2, 3, deep 4 so far, but it hasn't broken anything. Just looking for this push up here, 1749, 1763 next. And the same pattern again in the Russell as the other indices today. Small gap up, pushed a bit further, and then came back and consolidated for the rest of the day.